Welcome to another episode of Jim's Magnificent Miniature Motor Cars, and the first of two episodes that I have been really excited to film because I have been looking for these two models for a really long time, dating back to late last year. And this is the first one, the Tomica Premium McLaren F1. Okay, for those of you who don't know, the McLaren F1 is a legendary supercar. In fact, one would even argue that it's one of the earliest hypercars, or the class of supercars that's even more super than super. And for a long time, in fact, this car set and continues to hold the land speed record for a naturally aspirated sports car. Okay, it has a record of 240 miles per hour, which I think it's set on a test track, and it did so without the use of turbocharging or supercharging. So, and this is a record that has yet to be beaten to this day. I mean, every other car that's gone faster than this since that record was set has done so with the aid of a turbocharged engine. Anyway, enough about the car and its history. Let's check out this magnificent Tomica Premium. Let's check out the car inside. So again, I find myself dealing with Tomica's tenacious plastic, but we shall persevere and prevail. And there she is. There she is. Now, I've been unboxing Tomica Premiums for a while now, so you know that these are not $10 cars. They are priced substantially lower than something from, say, Mini GT. So it's also just about right to expect a lower level of detail. Okay, which would explain why we don't have side mirrors on the car. That notwithstanding, excuse me, this car quite honestly looks great. I mean, let's have a look here at the detailing. Yep. Tomica Premium have done a good job here replicating this car. Again, working within the constraints of a slightly, excuse me about that, a slightly cheaper price bracket. And there we go. Here we have it. The McLaren F1, a legendary record-setting sports car, which is now captured or replicated in this very, shall we say, in this quite affordable format. Actually, like I said, Tomica Premium is a long way from the ultra pricey Tomica Limited Vintage Neo, and you get plenty of bang for buck, as you can see from the very nice details that are visible on this car. And for reference, let's have a look at the box art. Yeah, as you can see, the replication is more than decent. And yeah, this is pretty much what I was hoping to see when I got this car. And I'm quite happy with it. So how do I rate it? Well, I'm glad to say that this is a darn sight finer than the last Tomica Premium I unboxed, which was the custom RX-7 from the Fast and Furious movies. Yeah, that got a 7, but this is easily a 9.5. You know, there's always just that little something missing from Tomica Premium cars. I have yet to see one that really, really knocks it out of the park for me. Okay, I mean, with an absolute 10, but a couple of them have gotten pretty darn close, and this is one of them. Yeah, so this is a 9.5 out of 10. Quite happy with this purchase. And thanks for watching, folks. For the newbies among you, well, you know you want to, give me a like and a subscribe if you like this video. And I'll see you again really soon with part 2 of my long-awaited, long-hunted cars.